Hello, welcome to Leo Green Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to cast an Obito and Magneto helmet. So I pre-mixed the silicone so I can put on the first coat. The first coat is a real thin coat, and it's going to get all of the details. So I'm brushing this thin coat over top of my Magneto mask and Obito mask. So again, I mixed up my silicone, and this time I put it on just a little bit thicker. You can kind of see it drip down over the mask. And I'm going to do several layers of this. I have a little samurai mask that I'm doing as well, because I just have extra silicone. And this takes about 30 minutes in between me putting on the next coat. So I let it sit for a little bit, it gets a little tacky, and then I go ahead and I put my silicone over top of it again. Again, I'm making layers of layers over it, building a thick skin jacket over top of it. I'm going to rotocast these in polyurethane, making a plastic helmet. The Obito mask is made of 3D printed materials. Got a file of Obito's mask and I printed it out. And Magneto's mask, I had a template of Magneto's helmet, and I made that out of foam. And you can see it's getting thicker and thicker and getting coated. I put little keys on top of it so that when I put on the plaster jacket, which actually keeps it stiff, it'll lock in place. The silicone won't move around. So those little dashes, little square pieces are little keys to keep it locked and steady. And I give this about a few layers, about 3 layers over top. I'm taking it out, I'm demolding it, and I have this empty shell where I can put in the polyurethane, lock it in place. I tape it up together so it can hold, stiffen in there. I have my different casting materials. I'm putting some color into these guys so it can look neat. I probably could paint over top of these. Like right now, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of testing out the mold, and I'm trying different techniques with it, with the coloring. I'm rotocasting these things. So with rotocasting, I pour the liquid in it and I rotate it and I rotate it and I rotate it, and it makes a little layers of the plastic. I don't do a whole lot of this at one time. This probably, I spin it around for probably like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I let it sit for a little bit, and then I add more of it inside of it. And I probably build up maybe about 6 layers in it as well. And I can demold it. Probably this one took me about 6 hours that I could come in and take this out of the mold. It's getting stuck a little bit, but hey, perfect fit. It's neat, very neat. Clean up the little edges, cut out the holes, and I have a perfect Obito war mask. My Magneto helmet, the reveal, it's like a glove, and it just pulls right off. Look at that. And the flashing, I'm just taking some scissors to clean that up and cut it off. And I have the perfect Magneto helmet. Thank you for watching Leo Green Studios. Please remember to share and subscribe.